You can have the biggest dream, but without the right team, it's just that, a dream. And this is a community that shares the same vision of being financially independent and having personal growth. We are not just talking about it, we are actually building it. We are leveraging a game-changing industry, using social media as a tool to make money. In this environment, we push each other to be the best version of each other. And most importantly, we are winning as a team. No one is being left behind. So if you are ready to stop figuring it out all by yourself and stop playing the lone wolf or the superhero, drop yes in the comments and I'll show you something real, where you are a part of the Achievers United and you can start realizing your dreams. Let me start making your dreams a reality today. No action means no results. So drop me that comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.